Hello friends and welcome to today's session on VREST NG. In our previous session we discussed about the VREST NG architecture and its major components. VREST NG supports multiple operating systems including Mac, Linux and Windows. In this session we will see the download and installation process on a Mac machine. If you are using a different operating system, then you may skip this video and view the relevant video for your operating system. Let us first discuss the various variants of VREST NG application. For this, just open up the pricing page. So it comes in three modes. One is community edition, the second one is pro edition, and third one is enterprise edition. The community edition is fully free for the QA and testing community, so anyone can just use the community edition to automate their API testing process. It also comes with free CLI version which you may use to integrate various NG application to any CI/CD server. Pro edition is our paid version with competitive pricing. As compared to community edition, it contains some premium features like data driven testing, seamless integration with Excel sheet, template driven testing, diff reports to quickly analyze the test failures, command execution, specification driven testing, integration with your ecosystem tools, and many others. Enterprise edition is also similar to the Pro edition. It contains all the features of Pro version, plus it contains some enterprise security features so that you may install various NG applications without being blocked due to corporate security policies. For example, it doesn't interact with our servers for user and license management. On Windows, we also provide portable build so the application can be run without installation. Now let's talk about how you may download the application. For download, just visit our website ng.vrest.io and click on the download button over here. It will direct you to the download page. Here select the appropriate version which you wish to download and the download process will start automatically. Let us first install the community or pro version. So if we want to install the community version, you may click on this community edition button, or if you would like to install the pro version, then you may click on this pro edition. Let's install the pro edition. If the download process doesn't start automatically, then you may just click on this direct download link to download the VREST NG application binary. Now let us see how you may install this downloaded binary on a Mac machine. You can just right click on the binary and click on open. Now you may drag the VREST NG application to the applications folder. That's it, your application has been installed. Now to open the application, you may click on the applications in the Finder window and select the VREST NG application and click on open. Click on open to confirm it. If you are using the community or pro edition, then the application will ask you to provide the login details. You may register for an account in a separate browser window. In our website, click on sign in, then select the sign up link. Here you can provide your corporate email ID, your desired password, and you can just register for VREST NG application over here. Or you may directly register with GitHub link as well. So once you are registered on VREST NG application, then you can use the same login credential in the VREST NG application as well. So you can provide the sign in details over here, or if you are logged in through the GitHub, then you can use GitHub button over here. So let's use the GitHub. As I was already logged in, so I was directly redirected to the application. Now you can start writing your projects. Now suppose if you want to use an enterprise version, then you may download the enterprise version from our download page and select the enterprise edition over here. It will download the enterprise binary for the VREST NG application from the downloads page. Similarly, we will follow the same process as we have done for pro or community edition. So we will just open the enterprise binary and we will drag the VREST NG application to the application folder. And now we can open the application from the application, then VREST NG application, and click on open and click on open again. So once the VREST NG enterprise version is installed, then the application will ask for a license key. For the generation of enterprise license key, simply copy the system code and go to our website. You will need to log in to our website and then click on configuration tab and then open up the licenses page. Here click on generate VREST NG app license button and provide your system code. Now click on show license button and click on copy license button. Now open up the VirusNG application and paste the license key over here. So you will be directed to the workspace area. In our future sessions, we will see how you may write or execute your API test cases in it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this session has provided meaningful information to you. Feel free to comment on this video to provide your suggestions and your valuable feedback.